Don't buy a cheap budget robot vacuum until you watch this. If you're tired of playing janitor for your gadgets, stop. Cheap robot vacuums are like toddlers with wheels. Save your time and your carpet. You'll see a $100 robot on Amazon and think you scored. But sub-$200 models usually miss the point. No real smart navigation, weak suction, and they get stuck constantly. That means you're not saving time. You're babysitting a bumping, whining floor toy. Spend a little more and get a LiDAR-equipped model. It maps your home, avoids obstacles, and actually cleans where it matters. Better sensors, check, fewer rescues, stronger suction, less repeat passes, and reliable mapping means it remembers rooms so you don't hawk it around the house. Babysitting sucks, so save up, get LiDAR, and let your robot do the work. Your future self and your socks will thank you.